Steve Days back here with another vlog. Just wanted to do this video real quick to see what they're doing over here. Is a floodgate wall construction project. This is the project they're on right now. They're doing a wall over here now. This is what it looks like with this floodgate wall project. It's a neat crane. That thing bangs every morning. This is what they're doing. You got this street shut down. It's closed up. This is where they finished, right over here, but now they're working on this side now. So yeah, this is the construction project of the flood wall and gate.